So this is my peanut butter fruit. You can see it's just above the roof, so probably maybe 8 foot tall now. It's wedged down here in the corner behind the hot water system. Currently flowering. Now, I'm not sure if it's climate or what, but as you can see, there's a heck of a lot of flowers on here. But I just noticed the first couple fruit for the season. There they are there. Almost right. It's only because they went red then I spotted them. Now this is probably the second, possibly third flowering. And that's how many fruit you get. So last year I got, sorry, excuse me. Last year I got 4. So hopefully, usually it fruits a bit better towards autumn. Oh, I just spotted some more up there. There you go, there's another one. Yeah, so usually as the humidity increases, I seem to get a few more. But yeah, so I'm on track to catch up with last year. But yeah, I don't know. As you can see, it's wedged in the corner there. There's actually a white sapote down there, lemon gold, and dwarf Ducasse banana in there. So very compact. Peanut butter bush is definitely going to get hacked back. Keep it a bit more streamlined. Let that sapote come up. But yeah, there you go. Not sure. It's a bit of a novelty plant. Fruit tastes all right. Wouldn't say it's sensational, but unless it starts really ramping up its numbers, I don't know if it's going to stay there long term. Quite easy to propagate, so I might just get a cutting or a seedling and put it in a pot or plant it somewhere else, because yeah, I don't know. It doesn't seem to be producing the numbers that I want. So yeah, we'll see. Time will tell.